Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the target table in Design View and adding a hyperlink field or a short text field set to hyperlink format. Make sure you backed up the database first because you will change data. Next, plan the link structure: web URLs, mail-to addresses, or file paths on a server. Once done, switch to Datasheet View to enter a sample link. You need to understand the display address syntax, so links show readable text while pointing to the correct destination. Now you populate links quickly and reliably. If you have many records, use an update query or a small VBA loop to write values. This avoids manual errors. For documents or anchors, include display text hash address hash sub address format. If you prefer readable text, use concatenation or an expression in a calculated control. Format, field, hyperlink, or build display text and hash and address. Make sure linked file paths are accessible to all users. Finish by testing every link in both Form and Datasheet View and on representative user machines. If a link fails, check the Trust Center settings, network share permissions, and confirm the path uses correct UNC format instead of mapped drives. Also verify mail-to syntax for email links. For complex problems, run a short VBA routine to output the stored string to a MSG box or immediate window so you can inspect formatting. Fixing a stray space or wrong delimiter usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.